So I'm back out here the next morning, and as always, I go inside and at the end of the day, crack a cold one and sit there and think. And I couldn't wait to get out here because I started thinking, what if the motor isn't locked up? What if some of the accessories are locked up? Maybe could a seized alternator, seized AC compressor, maybe that could stop it. Maybe the belt was that good. I don't know. You'd figure it would go by and just kind of skip by and burn the belt. But I came out here. I also double checked my battery, but it was good, but I swapped it anyway because I had a few side posts. So let me show you what I found. So because I have no patience, I just snipped the old belt and just get that right out of here. You don't need that. But to my surprise, alternator locked up solid. Idler spins, water pump, AC, don't sound good, but it spins. And power steering spins. Could that alternator have been holding it back? Holding the Intimidator? We're dinging inside. Let's see what happens. I mean, might as well try it, right? Woo! It's running! Old number 3. Oh. My suspicion was correct. If you don't want to idle, what we got? Got oil pressure. Of course, we got no volts because got no alternator. Ain't got no gas. It's running. Can't believe it. Can we get it to idle? My foot all the way off. No. Doesn't want to idle. Does it go into gear? Oh, boys. We got no brakes, of course. Right to the floor. Service traction. Woo! Goes into gear. $4,000. The old Intimidator wouldn't like that. $4,000. That ain't no good. I wish it would just idle so I could get out. Oh, baby. No. Here's some hissing. So, the alternator was the culprit.